Windows 11's KB5041585 Cumulative update brings several useful fixes and features, including an important solution for BitLocker recovery issues. Some users experienced a problem where, after previous updates, their system would unexpectedly boot into a BitLocker recovery screen, especially if device encryption was enabled. KB5041585 addresses this issue, allowing normal booting without repeatedly asking for the recovery key. To handle the BitLocker issue, first check your device encryption status by going to Settings, Privacy and Security greater than Device Encryption. If encryption is on, your drive might have required the recovery key after earlier updates, and KB5041585 fixes this behavior. If the BitLocker recovery screen appears, you'll need your recovery key. Devices linked to a Microsoft account usually have the key stored there, so make sure you have it backed up before proceeding. Next, confirm that KB5041585 is installed by going to Settings, Windows Update. If it hasn't installed yet, you can download it manually or wait for automatic installation. After installation, restart your device to see if the recovery screen issue is resolved. Even though the update fixes the common recovery bug, it's still wise to back up your BitLocker recovery key in a safe location. If the update installation fails or shows a "restart required" message, multiple restarts or troubleshooting steps may be needed to complete the process. With KB5041585 installed, Windows 11 users can enjoy improved system stability and a smoother experience with BitLocker-enabled devices. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more Windows 11 guides and troubleshooting tips.